Today we are printing off an 18-wheeler. So this is a pretty damn cool truck. It's got a lot of moving parts. It's all printed in place. So we've got two options as well for the back of it. We can go for a container, or we can go for what would be like a liquid or gas storage. And this has all been designed super amazingly so that you can print it in place, and it looks great. I'm going to shrink this down quite a bit, but you could print this baby off quite big. And also relatively simple print too. And as you see here, we have very simple settings that I've gone for. Not doing anything kind of crazy. Relatively hollow inside with just a bit of lighting to make sure we get everything without any issues. And designed incredibly well so that we can print it off without anything added on. So this should be a lot of fun to get this printed, and I'm going to paint it up as well, make it look a little bit better. But here she is. So as you can see, the rear is actually articulated as well, along with all the wheels. And this is pretty damn cool. Now I printed this damn small, so I had to do a little bit of crack in there to get the back out, but then it went fine. And this would be easier if you actually printed this off at full size, which I'm not capable of doing on the K1. But here she is. This is the, of course, 18-wheeler. And she looks brilliant, really beautiful. All the wheels work great. And we also have our container, which I've gone ahead and painted up in a nice bright yellow. And it's actually got little clips underneath that work even at this scale. Now, this thing's tiny, but we just slide it onto the back here. Now there'll be a link in the description below if you want to give this a go yourself, as this is a free model from the original designer, so there will be a link in the description. But yeah, this is it complete. A little bit smaller than it's intended to be, but you can see this thing's cool. Definitely not suitable for like children as a toy or anything like that. This is just nice to kind of to see how these kind of things work, and beautifully thought out, great print. Had zero issue with this one. This was just a joy to print. This would be a great one, I think, actually for a novice. If you get into 3D printing, this is a wonderful one to do. And yeah, very, very happy with it. So thanks very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this kind of content, subscribe, and I'll be back with more cool stuff and bigger projects in the future.